the number of solutions of x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to minimum of absolute x minus 3 comma absolute x plus 2. Okay, so this problem you have to solve using graphs only, which is very easy using graphs. Okay, whenever you see some equations which are big equations on both sides of equation, okay, so you consider each one as a separate graph and then try to overlap the graphs and see what happens. Okay, so first let us understand the RHS side, which is the minimum of absolute values of these two. Okay, so if you see the red value, this is what is my absolute x minus 3, right? Absolute x minus 3 is always positive, so it will be upward, and at 3 it is 0, correct? So this is how it looks like. And my absolute x plus 2 will be something like this. Okay, at x equal to minus 2 it is 0 and it will be upward because it's an absolute value. Okay, now what I am interested is minimum of this one, right? So wherever they are overlapped, only there I have to find out the minimum value, correct? So minimum is always this blue here, correct? Blue is always less compared to red here, and then this blue here, and then red this side. Okay, so this is my graph where I am interested. This is my minimum. Now we know that the LHS side x square plus 3x plus 2 is a parabola, okay, and minus b by 2a is minus 3 by 2. So somewhere here you will have the minimum of the parabola and you draw a parabola like this, correct? And you can also see that at plus 2 it will interact with it intersect the y-axis. So with all this you will get your parabola like this on top of this one. Okay, now definitely this is going to intersect the graph at two places, right? At two places. Only doubt you have is if it is three places, three roots you will get or not is if it goes through this value. Correct. Only here if it is going through, then you may get two values. Even that is also not true actually, because it's the same point, right? So it will be always two, but you can make sure that whether it is going through this point or not, you can make sure just to confirmation. Okay. So I know the answer is two solutions, but you can confirm it. Okay, so how can we do that? This is the value. So if this intersection point is nothing but absolute x minus 3 equal to absolute x plus 2, which is possible only if it is 3 minus x equal to x plus 2 or x equal to 1 by 2. So, okay, you substitute x equal to 1 by 2 in this parabola and see whether it will go through this or not. Okay, definitely it is a non-zero value, 15 by 4. So it's this point is not on a parabola. So this is the right graph and we have two solutions for this equations.